conquer cancer, human beings have never stopped their exploration. CAR-T, Chimeric Antigen Receptor T-Cell immunotherapy, is nowadays the most advanced biological treatment technology and the first gene therapy that has been approved by America FDA. It binds single-chain variable fragment (scFv) that identifies tumor-associated antigens with activation domain of T-cell. That is to combine the high affinity of antibodies to tumor antigens with the cytolytic activity of T-cell, endowing it with the ability to specifically identify and kill tumor cells. Now let's walk into the CAR-T world of St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou. CAR-T immunotherapy is targeted at CD19-expressed B lineage blood cancers like reblast B-cell, leukemia, lymphoma, and multiple myeloma. CAR-T cell immunotherapy T-cells can target and attack specific kind of cancer cells. It all starts when a patient's blood is filtered through a machine that separates T-cells and other white blood cells from the rest. Scientists mix the collected T-cells with a virus that has been disabled so it won't cause illness. Instead, that virus carries genetic instructions for the T-cells to grow an artificial receptor called Chimeric Antigen Receptor that would track and attack its cancer target. Millions of copies of these engineered cells are grown in laboratory and given back to the patient intravenously. In fact, the first CAR-T cells were tested against the types of leukemia and lymphoma that there are a marker or antigen named CD19. Once in the bloodstream, those T cells home in that antigen. They release toxic chemicals that trigger a cancer cell's death. As one cancer cell dies, T cells move on to the next, multiplying in the patient's blood until they are no longer needed. CAR-T cell immunotherapy. Compared to chemotherapy drugs and targeted drugs, CAR-T has better targeting ability and can attack multiple targets through technical modification. CAR-T cells can conduct specific binding to all same kinds of markers. As CAR-T has been added with a gene sequence that promotes T-cell proliferation and activation, T-cells can keep on proliferating after given back to patient and survive for a long time, thus enable patient to acquire long-term immune function. GPC3 CAR-T treatment is globally the first CAR-T, Chimeric Antigen Receptor T-Cell technology applied in the treatment of advanced liver cancer. Immunotherapy is the fifth pillar of cancer treatment after surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and targeted therapy. It has been recognized by American Science magazine as leader of top 10 scientific breakthroughs of 2013, cooperating with renowned domestic hospital on CAR-T cell. St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou, has great strength in worldwide advanced and edge-cutting technologies and brings hope to late-stage refractory blood cancer patients. St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou is invested by Sino-Singapore joint venture St. Stanford International Medical Group. Since its establishment, St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou has never stopped its exploration and practice on worldwide advanced medical treatment technologies by attaching a priority to medical technology and supreme importance to patients and with meticulous services. St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou has attracted numerous cancer patients from more than 15 countries and districts of Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, including Britain, the United States, Australia, Hong Kong, Thailand, Japan, Malaysia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Tunisia, Saudi Arabia, etc. Up to date, MCHG has performed over 30,000 minimally invasive operations for international cancer patients. St. Stanford Modern Cancer Hospital, Guangzhou was accredited by America JCI in 2014 and re-accredited with high score in 2017. which indicates MCHG has not only been recognized by the world but also passed the test of time on its medical level and service quality, as well as management pattern. Singapore's and Stanford International Medical Group will unite with excellent practitioners around the world, spare no pains, and work with persistence to pursue excellence and strive for best cancer specialized hospital and highest quality of medical service for human beings.